guys think this is some type of a game? 1,000 new subscribers in one day. Get with me now. YouTube channel, and I don't know if you can make any money at it. I want you to know something. Look, when I started this channel out, I didn't make any dollars. I didn't start making any money until April. I know the program you need to get with me now. Don't let another opportunity pass you by. Look at that $674 just for the month of April. Don't miss this opportunity. Get with me. Keeps the doctors away. How about $100 a day keeps the boss away? Get with me now. I don't know what will, but guess what? In the last 48 hours, it looks like we're gonna reach 1 million views in the last 48 hours. Do you understand what type of numbers that is? Oh my goodness. Get with me. If you're struggling to build your YouTube platform, get with me now. You can do it with short videos. Look at the clips. You got 35 seconds here. Over 1 million views. Oh my goodness. Look at the views on these video clips. You are missing out. The month. Let's talk about what happened in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, our channel has received 720,000 views, over 7 hours in watch time, almost 2,000 new subscribers, and we made $140.09. Could you imagine if you made $140 every day just because people are watching your channel? Get with me now if you're struggling to build your YouTube platform. You know you need the help. Give me daily increase in our daily records, and as of today, we have now reached 2.3 million views with an estimated income of $637. Get with me. If you're struggling to build your YouTube platform, you need to get with me.